Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into your first savings credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your first savings credit card account, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in firstsavingscc.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official site of First Savings Credit Card. Click on the account login button at the top right in orange and enter your username followed by your password in the login area. Start off by typing in a correct username in the first text box and head over to the password field and type in your password. If you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After entering them in the text boxes, click the Login button and you'll be able to access your credit card account for First Savings. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.